ICD-10 PCS JJ-PCA Guidelines, page 23, part 10.
A11. Many of the terms used to construct PCS codes are defined within the system.
They are defined within the system. It is the coder's responsibility to determine what the documentation in the medical record equates to in the PCS definitions. Okay, so the coder has to look through the record and see which one corresponds to the PCS definitions. For example, in this example that we're going to see following, it says resection is the same as radical excision, because resection is the excision or the cutting off of a whole part of a body, and radical excision would be the same thing. So the coder has to interpret which terms in the medical record belong to the PCS's definitions, okay? And then we have here the format, right? A picture of the format right there with the 7 characters. And also we have the picture on the right of a coder or a billing specialist that is trying to define which terms equate the PCS's definitions, okay? Hard at work. Okay, now that's our theory for today, and now we're going to do a problem. So ready, set, go. Okay, PCS JJ-PCA, page 611, exercise 18, and this is a level 1 exercise, and it reads like this.
Radical retropubic prostatectomy open.
Okay, radical retropubic prostatectomy open. Okay, that's the procedure. Now we are going to count to 3, so you can pause the video and give us the PCS code for this procedure. 1, 2, 3. Okay, the answer is 0VT 00ZZ. Okay, did you get that? If you got it, congratulations. If you didn't get it, let's give you a couple of tips. Oh, yeah, 2 tips.
Yeah.
Okay, so the first tip is
start with prostatectomy.
Prostatectomy, right? Which is the excision of the prostate, right? The prostate gland. Ectomy is excision or cutting out, right?
Yes.
And the second tip is
radical means resection.
right. There is excision and resection, right? You have 2 choices. So which one do you choose? You choose resection. Why? Because resection is
cutting off without replacement all of body part.
Of all of a body part. If you cut off all of the body part, if you cut off all of the prostate, that's resection. Okay? So you see in the figure the prostate is there, the purple, right?
Yes.
And then you cut it off, and then the patient has no prostate on the next one. Okay? So the answer is 0VT00Z. But now we are going to count to 3, so you can pause the video and give us the path to the answer, how we got to the answer. Okay, so 1, 2, 3. Okay, this is the summary of the whole problem. The problem is a radical retropubic prostatectomy open. Okay, so the code.
We have one code.
We have one code, and the code 1 through the index is found like this.
First, we go to index.
Right.
Then we go to prostatectomy.
And it tells what?
It tells you to go to C, resection prostate.
So we go there. We go to
resection.
And then
prostate.
And we get a code there. What is that?
0VT0.
0VT0. Now we're going to check this code in the tabular. So code 1 through the tabular is found like this.
First, we go to tabular.
Tabular, and you start with the first 3 characters, right? Which are?
Which are 0VT.
And 0 means?
Medical and surgical.
V means?
Male reproductive system.
Where the prostate is. And T means?
Resection.
Which is the root operation, right?
Yes.
We go from there. So the next one is 0, right? The next character. And the 0 means?
0 is prostate.
Prostate, right? And then we have another one, another 0. Why?
Because it's open.
Open. Why? Because it's a retropubic, right?
Yes.
No, baby. Because there's. I'm sorry. There's the word that says
open.
Open, right? So that's where we go. And then the next one is
No device. That Z is no device.
Z device because we don't leave anything in the body like a graft or something like that, right? So that's one no device. And the seventh one is another Z because we don't need an extra thing or no qualifier. So the equal sign at the end means that we have double checked the code and the answer is 0VT00ZZ. Okay? Thanks for watching. And please don't forget to visit our website. And also,
you can subscribe to us in YouTube by clicking here for our new medical coding videos.
Right, and the red rectangle, right? They just have to click there and they subscribe. And what do they get when they subscribe?
We make up to 3 videos every day.
Right.
ICD-10s, CPTs, all that is needed to pass the medical coding certification exams.
That's correct. Now, so don't forget to visit our website and also subscribe to our videos. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you tomorrow.
Thank you.
Bye.